Hi friends, today we are going to learn backward counting from 100 to 1. Before writing backward counting, I want to make some point clear for you. For backward counting, 10 to 1 is the base for backward counting and it is a must. Means a child should know आपके बच्चे को आना चाहिए कि 10 to 1 backward counting बोलने के लिए. आप रोज़ बच्चे को प्रैक्टिस करवाएं, उनसे बोलने लगाइए. मीन्स यू से अलॉन्ग विथ हिम, उनके साथ आप बोलिए 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once again, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. जैसे देखो 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग बच्चों को आप बोलने लगाइए. आप बोलो अपने बच्चों को, कम ऑन से बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग फ्रॉम 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your child should know to recite backward counting from 10 to 1. And always make a practice. Make your child recite every day 10 to 1. अगर आपका बच्चा बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग नहीं जानता है बिफोर नंबर्स क्या है, एक्चुअली बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग इज़ ओनली फॉर 100 to 1 इज़ फॉर UKG किड्स एंड फॉर LKG किड्स बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग फ्रॉम 100 to 1 नहीं है. फिर भी आप क्या कर सकते हैं, अगर बैकवर्ड काउंट बिफोर नंबर के ज़रिए से विथ नंबर लाइन आप given the link in the description box. With the help of a number line you can teach the child before, what is before and what is before number, means backward number क्या होता है और how to get backward, वो आप बच्चों को explain कर सकते हैं. Now let us start backward counting from 100 to 1. Now tell a child to write. You first time you show the child, means you show 1 or 3 times how to write backward counting. The way I'm showing you. See, first tell the child to write backward counting in the slipping form, like from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now tell your child to add zeros. 1, 0, 0, 100. It became 100. 90, 90, 80, 80, 70, 70, 60, 60, 50, 50, 40, 40, 30, 30, 20, 20, 10, 10. Now tell your child to read this 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. I'm reading this way, but make your child to read like this: 100, 100, 90, 90, 80, 80, because this is a good practice. 70, 70, 60, 60, 50, 50. Like this you make a child to read. Okay, now here there is another 10. Now tell your child to write from 10 to 1 again. 10, 1, 0, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now ask your child, now what is the before number, since your child knows now from 10 to 1 what is the backward counting. Now tell your child, write the before number of 1, 0, 10 now. If he doesn't know, then this is, if he forgets, what happened, in spite of knowing backward counting from 10 to 1, the child tend to forget. If you forget what is the before, means backward counting of 1, 0, 10, before of 9, 10, 9, before of 10 is what, 1, 0, 10, 9. You can see 9 here. Same 9 you have to write here. 9, 9, 99. 9, repeat again. 9, 8, 98. 9, 7, 97. 9, 6, 96. 9, 5, 95. 9, 4, 94. 9, 3, 93. 9, 2, 92. 9, 1, 91. Now what is the before of 9? Before of 9 is 8. So 8 will come here. 8, 9, 89. When the child writes, when you're showing this technique, 8, 9, 89, 9, 8 and 9, you tell your child to read 8, 9, 89, 8, 8, 88, 8 7 87, 8 8 6 86, 8 5 85, 8 4 84, 8 3 83, 8 2 82, 8 1 81. सेम फॉर द 8. 8 का बिफोर क्या है? 7 7 9 7 9 79, 7 8 78, 7 7 77, 7 6 76, 7 5 75, 7 4 74, 7 3 73, 7 2 72, 7 1 71. वंस योर चाइल्ड गेट प्रैक्टिस, एक बार उसको प्रैक्टिस हो गया ना, वो बच्चा इस तरफ नहीं देखेगा लिखने के लिए. हाँ, 7 का बिफोर क्या है? 7 का बिफोर इफ़ यू नोज फ्रॉम एग्जैक्टली लाइक फ्रॉम 10 to 9, सॉरी फ्रॉम 10 to 1 अगर बिफोर उसको आता है, इफ़ यू नोज फ्रॉम 10 to 1 बिफोर ना, इफ़ यू नोज आता है ना, तो 7 का बिफोर क्या है? डायरेक्टली 6 लिखेगा. एंड स्टार्टिंगली ही विल मेक अ यूज ऑफ दिस लुकिंग राइट साइड. वंस ही गेट प्रैक्टिस ऑफ दिस, ही वोंट लुक एट द राइट साइड. डायरेक्टly he will go on writing 6 9 69, 6 8 68, 6 7 67, 6 6 66, 6 5 65, 6 4 64, 6 3 63, 6 2 62, 6 1 61. Same way. Before of 6 is 5 9, 5 8, 5 7, 5 6 56, 5 5 55, 5 4 54, 5 3 53, 5 2 52, 5 1 51. Then for the 5 number 5 0 40, 5 before of 5 is 4 4 9 49, 4 8 48, 4 7 47, 4 6 46, 4 5 45, 4 4 44, 4 3 43, 4 2 42, 4 1 41. For 4 number before is of 4 3, before of 3, this before of 4 3 3 9 39, 3 8 38, 3 7 37, 3 6 36, 3 5 35, 3 4 34, 3 3 33, 3 2 32, 3 1 31. Now same for the 2 3 and 2. Same for the 3 and 2. What is the before of 3? 2. 2 9, 2 8 28, 2 7 27, 2 6 26, 2 5 25, 2 4 24, 2 3 23, 2 2 22, 2 1 21. And before of 2, 1 1 9, 1 8, 1 7, 1 6, 1 5 15, 1 4 14, 1 3 13, 1 2 12, 1 1. Before teaching backward counting from 100 to 1, your child must know 1 to 100. If he knows writing 1 to 100, then only he will able to understand that what he is writing. And whatever he was writing in the backward form also is available. And we have to write in the back that he has to write in the backward form, in the before form also. Otherwise, he won't understand the concept.